Are you yearning for a new adventure? Do you dream of discovering places that will not only captivate your senses but also leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime? Imagine wandering through bustling cities, serene landscapes, and cultural hubs that are currently the talk of the travel world. Hi, this is Ionel Tilburg, and in today's Globe Trek video, we'll take you on a journey to some of the most trending tourist destinations. Which of these stunning locales will inspire your next trip? Let's find out together. 1. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto, Japan, is a timeless blend of the ancient and the modern, attracting tourists from around the globe. Once the capital of Japan, Kyoto is renowned for its well-preserved temples, traditional wooden houses, and serene gardens. Walk through the historic streets of Gion, where you might catch a glimpse of a geisha hurrying to an appointment. The city's numerous temples, such as the Golden Pavilion, Kinkaku-ji, and the Silver Pavilion, Ginkaku-ji, offer peaceful retreats and a glimpse into Japan's spiritual past. Beyond its historic allure, Kyoto is also a culinary paradise. From kaiseki dining to casual ramen shops, the city offers a gastronomic journey that highlights the flavors of Japan. Don't miss the Nishiki Market, often referred to as Kyoto's Kitchen, where you can sample a variety of local delicacies. Moreover, the tea ceremony, a tradition deeply embedded in Kyoto's culture, provides a unique, meditative experience. Kyoto's natural beauty is another draw for visitors. The Arashiyama bamboo grove creates an otherworldly atmosphere, while the cherry blossoms in spring and vibrant foliage in autumn transform the city into a picturesque landscape. Whether you're exploring the Philosopher's Path or hiking in the surrounding hills, Kyoto's natural scenery complements its rich cultural heritage. 2. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town, South Africa, is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends natural beauty with urban sophistication. Nestled between the iconic Table Mountain and the Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town offers a variety of experiences for every traveler. The view from the top of Table Mountain is breathtaking, providing panoramic vistas of the city and the surrounding coastline. You can hike to the summit or take a scenic cable car ride for a less strenuous option. The city's coastline is dotted with stunning beaches, each offering something unique. From the bustling Camps Bay to the picturesque Clifton beaches, there's a spot for everyone to enjoy the sun and surf. Boulders Beach is a must-visit, where you can see a colony of African penguins in their natural habitat, offering a delightful experience for visitors of all ages. Cape Town is also rich in history and culture. Visit Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, to gain insight into South Africa's turbulent past. The V&A waterfront is another cultural hub, featuring museums, shopping, and dining options with beautiful harbor views. Cape Town's diverse neighborhoods, such as Bo Kaap with its colorful houses and rich Malay heritage, offer a unique glimpse into the city's multicultural fabric. 3. Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, is a destination that captures the imagination with its stunning landscapes and unique cultural experiences. Known as the land of fire and ice, Iceland offers dramatic scenery, from towering waterfalls to geothermal hot springs. Reykjavik serves as the perfect base to explore these natural wonders while enjoying the comforts of a modern city. One of the most popular attractions near Reykjavik is the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa set in a lava field. The warm, mineral-rich waters provide a relaxing experience amidst a surreal, otherworldly landscape. For those seeking adventure, the Golden Circle route takes you to some of Iceland's most famous sites, including the Geyser Geothermal Area, Gullfoss Waterfall, and Thingvellir National Park, where you can see the rift between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. In Reykjavik itself, the vibrant arts and music scene reflect the city's creative spirit. The striking Hallgrímskirkja Church offers panoramic views of the city, while the Harpa Concert Hall hosts a variety of cultural events. The city's cafes and restaurants showcase Icelandic cuisine, with dishes that highlight local ingredients like fresh seafood and lamb. Reykjavik's nightlife is lively, with numerous bars and clubs where you can experience the local culture and hospitality. 4. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon, Portugal's sun-kissed capital, is an enchanting blend of old-world charm and contemporary vibrancy. The city is known for its picturesque neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Alfama, with its narrow streets and traditional fado music, offers a glimpse into Lisbon's soulful past. The historic district of Belém is home to iconic landmarks such as the Belém Tower and Jerónimos Monastery, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Lisbon's culinary scene is another highlight, with its array of delectable dishes and pastries. The famous pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart, is a must-try. The city's markets, like Mercado da Ribeira, offer a taste of Portugal's rich gastronomic heritage. Enjoy fresh seafood dishes, such as grilled sardines and bacalhau, at one of the many charming local restaurants. The city's vibrant nightlife and cultural events make it a dynamic destination. From the lively bars in Bairro Alto to the sophisticated clubs along the waterfront, there's something for everyone. Lisbon's many festivals, such as the Feast of St. Anthony, bring the streets alive with music, dancing, and celebration. Additionally, the city's trams, especially the iconic Tram 28, offer a scenic way to explore the hilly landscape and discover its hidden gems. 5. Queenstown, New Zealand. Queenstown, New Zealand, is an adventure lover's paradise, set against the stunning backdrop of the Southern Alps and Lake Wakatipu. Known as the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown offers a plethora of adrenaline-pumping activities. From bungee jumping off the historic Kawarau Bridge to jet boating on the Shotover River, the options are endless for thrill seekers. Beyond its adventurous spirit, Queenstown is also a gateway to some of New Zealand's most breathtaking natural scenery. The nearby Fiordland National Park, home to the famous Milford Sound, offers dramatic landscapes of fjords, waterfalls, and lush rainforests. Hiking the Routeburn Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, provides an opportunity to immerse yourself in the region's pristine wilderness. Queenstown's vibrant town center offers a range of dining and shopping options, catering to all tastes and budgets. Enjoy a meal at one of the lakeside restaurants while taking in the stunning views, or explore the local boutiques and art galleries. The town's lively atmosphere is enhanced by its friendly locals and diverse community of travelers from around the world. 6. Banff, Canada. Banff, Canada, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The stunning landscapes of Banff National Park include turquoise lakes, towering mountains, and abundant wildlife. Lake Louise and Moraine Lake are particularly famous for their striking blue waters and scenic hiking trails. Outdoor activities abound in Banff, from skiing and snowboarding in the winter to hiking, mountain biking, and canoeing in the summer. The Banff Gondola offers panoramic views of the Rockies, and the Banff Upper Hot Springs provide a relaxing way to unwind after a day of exploring. The Icefields Parkway, one of the most scenic drives in the world, connects Banff to Jasper National Park and offers breathtaking views along the way. The town of Banff itself is charming, with a variety of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Enjoy a meal at one of the many local eateries, offering everything from hearty Canadian fare to international cuisine. Banff's natural beauty and outdoor adventures make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the great outdoors. 7. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, Croatia, known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a city steeped in history and surrounded by stunning coastal views. The well-preserved medieval walls encircle the old town, offering a scenic walk with panoramic views of the Adriatic Sea. The city's historic sites include the Rector's Palace, Sponza Palace, and the beautiful Dubrovnik Cathedral. Dubrovnik's cobblestone streets are lined with charming cafes, restaurants, and shops. The Stradon, the main thoroughfare, is a lively area where you can enjoy a coffee or a gelato while watching the world go by. The city's beaches, such as Banji Beach and Sveti Jakov Beach, provide a perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun. For Game of Thrones fans, Dubrovnik is a must-visit destination, as it served as a filming location for the fictional city of King's Landing. Guided tours take you to various filming sites, providing insight into the making of the show. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks, enjoying the vibrant culinary scene, or simply relaxing by the sea, Dubrovnik offers a unique blend of history and modern charm. 9. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona, Spain, is a city that enchants visitors with its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. The city is famous for its stunning architecture, particularly the works of Antoni Gaudí. The Sagrada Familia, a magnificent basilica still under construction, and Parc Güell, a colorful park offering panoramic views of the city, are must-see attractions. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow medieval streets, is the historic heart of Barcelona. Here, you can explore ancient Roman ruins, visit the Barcelona Cathedral, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Plaça Real. The bustling La Rambla, a tree-lined street in the heart of the city, is perfect for a leisurely stroll, with its street performers, shops, and cafes. Barcelona's culinary scene is diverse and delicious, with a focus on fresh, local ingredients. Tapas bars, seafood restaurants, and traditional Catalan cuisine offer a wide variety of dining experiences. The city's beaches, such as Barceloneta Beach, provide a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the Mediterranean sun. Whether you're admiring architectural masterpieces, savoring local flavors, or soaking up the lively atmosphere, Barcelona is a city that captivates the senses. 10. Petra Jordan. Petra Jordan is a historical and archaeological marvel that offers a journey back in time. Known as the Rose City due to the pink sandstone from which it is carved, Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabatean kingdom. The city is accessed through the Sick, a narrow gorge that opens up to reveal the iconic treasury, one of Petra's most impressive structures. Exploring Petra's ancient ruins is a fascinating experience. The monastery, another monumental building, requires a challenging hike but rewards visitors with stunning views of the surrounding area. The royal tombs, the Roman theater, and the colonnaded street are just a few of the many sights that showcase the city's rich history and architectural ingenuity. Petra's location in the desert also offers unique opportunities for adventure. You can take a camel ride through the arid landscape, hike in the nearby mountains, or experience the traditional Bedouin hospitality in a desert camp. The city's nighttime experience, Petra by Night, is a magical event where the treasury is illuminated by thousands of candles, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Petra's blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable adventure. So that's all. From the historic temples of Kyoto to the breathtaking landscapes of Banff, the world is filled with remarkable destinations that cater to every kind of traveler. Each location offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Cape Town, soaking in the geothermal wonders of Reykjavik, or marveling at the ancient ruins of Petra, these trending tourist destinations promise to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Travel is more than just visiting new places. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, savoring diverse cuisines, and meeting people from all walks of life. It's about pushing your boundaries, finding peace in nature, and getting lost in the history of a city. As you plan your next adventure, consider what experiences you wish to cherish and what stories you want to bring back home. The world is vast and filled with endless possibilities. So, where will your adventures take you next? The journey is waiting, and it's up to you to embark on it. Safe travels and happy exploring!